Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress MPYC bat ka Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress MPMC kilapan long ya ka Ïakhih Pyrshah Don Bosco Square light umkra hakaba kilapan remjur Halor ka Jingshah kem badangshan jong ki Arnold ki sister Catholic ka Pretty Mary bat ka Vandana Francis ha Chhattisgarh hakaba kilakan no ru baki kam thombor Pyrshah ki Kristan kalanang jur hapo kani kari haba a jingkren hakani kasngi usembut President jong ka MPYC uba ban pira basayo moj ulakan no baka sorkar pedeng hapo ka jingelam jong ka Seng BJP ka ailat ikiken hun shit nyam Hindu ban pen thombor bat penting yaki nyam rit pat ulapan shairu bakani ka Ïakhih Pyrshah kamdan kanu ka jing temu ban ken shot yaki jinge per jingmut Henry ban pen pawi ka jing Pyrshah ka bajur hakabaya dei bat ki kam thombor bat ki kam pendik Pyrshah iki Kristan Katba General Secretary ke MPCC uba Manuel Badwar ulakan no bakasan perthai ke BJP kalong ke bama shibun ya ke jing terlibat ke syakri ru tang na ke benta ke jing kwan mentoy ki katu kat ni.
We as a Congress stand very much against and we should not allow this, and I believe every community, every religion, every human that is existing, that is living in this land of ours, this beautiful land of ours, should not allow such things to even happen and should not allow this thing to take precedence. And I believe so that as a Congress and as people who actually feels for just about everybody that we live as one, that we need to unite in order for us to grow, in order for this country to grow. We believe that we need to come together and we need to come together and condemn whatever is happening, and we need to show a voice. We need to show a voice so that the government of the state also takes action which is a little bit more, should I say, a little bit more stronger, a little bit more vocal. We have an MP, our honorable MP from the Congress, who had spoken on Parliament, but the moment he had spoken, even the mic was switched off. You can well understand exactly where is the democracy that is existing. The democracy is gone. So we need to change all of that. We really need to change all of that, and I think that should start with the public at large. We, especially in Meghalaya, where it's so cosmopolitan, especially in Shillong, and I think that kind of a change should happen from us, because only citizens can do the change. It is not the political leaders, it is not anybody, it is not religion. Nobody can bring the change, but it has to come up from our own hearts. It has to come out from our own thoughts. And I believe so that we stand here and we condemn against this injustice that keeps on happening and the atrocities, because it is something that it will keep on culminating, because if somebody does bad to somebody, then somebody will do bad to somebody else, and we start looking at each other rather than having a friendship kind of an approach. People will start looking at each other with a lot of suspicions, and that's the kind of thing we need to stop in the society that we live in.